You guys, we got our P.louise advent calendar yesterday. How cute is this? I'm telling you, the squeals of delight that my sister and I had when we were unboxing this were unreal. It is so fun. There are 3 cars of the engine, car 2 and car 3. I will give you a sneak peek inside. That is inside car 1. This is inside car 2. And this is inside car 3. Each of these doors has a battery compartment. You will have to supply your own batteries, and a little tiny screwdriver is a Phillips head to get that to light up. And how cute is this? Each one has a little PL on the battery door. I think that's so cute. To light them and turn them on and off, you just tap the number and they will work for you. If you store this, I would probably take the batteries out. I'm going to show you how we put the batteries in. My dad did it for us. So again, each door has its own compartment. You need a little tiny Phillips screwdriver to take out the door. These are the type of batteries you need to have for it. Once you get the door off, just pop the battery in and screw it back down and you are good to go. The next thing is the feet or the wheels. It comes with wheels and it comes with connectors for each car. The wheels we're not going to put on yet because we're not going to put it together till Christmas, but each one has a peel off sticky. And on the bottom of each car, each one has a mark to show you where that wheelbase should be stuck. And again, you can see where you put in the connector, and the connectors come with it with a few extras. When we get it all put together and set up, I'll show you again, but the full reveal will be after Christmas. Bye.